We'll guide you through how to use a Soundpad Soundboard to play music or sounds through your microphone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This is perfect if you want to have fun with friends on Discord, use sound effect in games, or just improve your audio setup overall. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I'm going to keep everything simple and easy to follow. First, let's start with downloading the software. You can get a Soundpad either from Steam or from official website. I personally recommend downloading it from the website because it is more straightforward and avoids some issue people sometimes face with Steam install. First, open your browser to your liking and in the search bar, just search for Soundpad and hit enter. Now, you will be taken to the official website. Just click on the official website and after that, you can just watch the demo first or just download it. I'll just click on download and just choose your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows 64-bit. And as you can see, the setup exe has started downloading. Now, once the setup exe has finished downloading, just click on it to open the setup wizard. Now, the setup wizard will appear. Just click on next and just read the terms and agreement and toggle on I accept the terms in license agreement and just click on next. From here, you can change your installation directory. Just click on change and choose your directory. And after you have finished configuring your installation directory, just click on next and click on install. Installation has finished. Just click on finish. After installation, you might sometimes need to restart your computer. So if it asks you to do that, just go ahead and restart. And once you are back, just open your Soundpad. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Soundpad. And just open the app. And as you can see, our Soundpad has been successfully opened. Just confirm your language settings by clicking on OK. And basically, this is the interface. On the left side is where all of your sounds will appear. And at the beginning, you might see some sample sound. You can keep them or delete them. It's completely up to you. Just select the sound effect and just right click on it and click on remove if you want to remove it like so. Now at the top, click on file and then go to preferences, and inside here you will see a setting labeled as voice volume. This is very important because it adjusts how loud your sound effect will be through your microphone. To set this up properly, just click on measure icon, then just speak normally into your microphone. Say something like test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and Soundpad will detect your mic level and set a good baseline. This helps your sound effect match your voice volume so they don't sound too much or too quiet. Next, you'll see an option labeled as block voice while playing sounds. If this is enabled like so, your microphone will be muted when a sound effect is playing. This is useful if you don't want your voice mixing with the sound effect. If you want to play both together, you can turn it off and it is totally up to your choice and preferences. Now, you can leave most of the other settings as default for now. These are more advanced options like hotkey and playback mode, which you can explore later once that you are comfortable. Now, let's move on to adding sounds. There are two main ways to do this. The first one is by importing existing file. If you already have sound effect or music files on your computer, you can just simply drag and drop them in your soundboard. Just open your file explorer like so, and as you can see, I have a Pixabay music, and just drag it and paste it here and it will be added directly in here, and I can even preview it from here by just right clicking on it and choosing to play from speaker and microphone or play on speakers only or play on microphone. The second way is one of the coolest feature, and it is recording sounds directly. To do this, just go to the top menu and click on window. And from here, just click on sound recorder and you will see new option appear on the top right. This tool lets you record audio either from your microphone or directly from your computer's screen. Let's say you want to grab a sound effect from a website or YouTube. I'm just gonna go with Pixabay, so I'll just go to my browser and go to Pixabay. First, open your audio or video in your browser or YouTube, and then go back to Soundpad like so, and now click on the record button from here, and also make sure record speakers, and after it is selected, just click on start recording, and you will see the recording will be successfully started. Now go back to your browser and play the sound effect. Let's say I want to add this particular sound effect, so I'll just play it, and once it finishes playing, just go back to Soundpad and stop the recording like so. You will now see the recorded file appear in the list. You can just right click on it and choose edit. You can also press Ctrl E on the keyboard as a shortcut, and now you can trim or adjust it. You can just use the cut and just select the range. You can just choose the cut tool and choose the range that you want to delete. And if your sound is too quiet, you can use the adjust volume. Just click on the little arrow for more options and you will see adjust volume, and just click on the drop down for the decibels and increase it to something like 90 or 100, and just test it until it feels good. Now, once your sound is ready, you can rename it to something simple. Just right click on the sound and you can rename it. Let's say I want to rename it as Pixabay and hit enter, and it will be successfully saved as Pixabay. Now comes the fun part, assigning a hotkey. Just right click on your sound and choose to set hotkey, and choose a key on the keyboard. For example, you can just set it to P or any key that you prefer. In my case, I'm just gonna go with P because this is for Pixabay, and click on OK. Now, whenever I press P, the sound will be automatically played through the keybind. This means if you are in a call or Discord or in a game, other people will hear that sound as if it is coming from your mic. And one important thing to make sure is that your microphone is set correctly in your apps. For example, if you are using this on Discord, just go to your user settings for Discord and go to voice and video, and for your input microphone, just click on the drop down and make sure your input device is set as your actual microphone. Soundpad works with your mic and not as a separate mic as you see with other soundboard apps.